Good morning. In this presentation we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Gold today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday gold market opened around 29,620. So you can see this tiny candlestick that indicates the price opening. And yesterday's price opening is just below the previous day's price closing, which was around 29,660. So the price opening is around 29,620. And what happened on the previous day is that we can see it is a very long consolidation at the end of the trading session. You can see how long the market has consolidated within the zone of 29,620. So it is a very long consolidation, and also the market had taken some support around 29,580. So these are the price actions. We should always remember the price actions before we start a trading for the new day. So what we expect is that still we expected the market to continue its buying, having 29,560 and 29,520 and 29,500. These are the main zones and major zones. We expected the market to continue its buying, but we don't deny the fact that there is some selling happening in the market. Just because we expected the market to show some clear price actions above 29,620. So this clearly indicates the price opening is around 29,620. This clearly indicates that the market is again going to do something with this 29,620. Now let us see what happened after this. So after the price opening, you can see that 29,620 is providing a clear resistance for gold market and push the market down till 29,560. So since we expect this 29,560 to provide some support, you can see that it had provided some support and trying to push the market higher, but let us see whether it's going to be a successful thing or not. So 29,560 is providing a support, but it is a failure. So the market after 29,560, the market clearly entered into our key and major zone of 29,520. If the price is going to break this 29,520, if it is going to move down, it is going to be a clear confirmation that the price is going to head down. But still we believe that 29,520 can provide some support, but it is indicating clearly right from the price opening the market is showing a clear downward trend. So let us see what happened after that. So after that it had provided a clear support. Now you may see that the market had 29,520 and within 29,500 had provided a clear support and tried to push the market till 29,560. Again it is a failure. So what gold is trying to do is that it is trying to put something above 29,560 so that it can sustain the buying momentum. Now let us see what happened after that. So the market was quite successful in staying above 29,560. So it is a long consolidation that is happening. The market is struggling to move in and around 29,560. It was quite successful. You can see that the market was quite successful in maintaining its buying momentum. So that happens just because of the lot of efforts that happened with the buyers. So 29,520, since it is a major support, it pushed the market above. You can easily learn how to analyze the price actions. It pushed the market above, it found some resistance and then again came down, and it really tried hard to stay and put something above 29,560 so that the market can regain its buying momentum, and it was even successful in breaking 29,620 and it reached till 29,650. So it was just a trading above, trade above the price opening. So this is the price opening. If the price can sustain this 29,620 and if the price can sustain this zone of 29,560, then it is going to be a clear uptrend that can provide us a clear confirmation. But if it is going to be a failure, what can happen? Again it is a failure. So the market didn't sustain that, so it is a clear failure. So it came down till 29,560. It is not all of a sudden it dropped down. You can see that every single candlestick represents 7 minutes. That means, so you can see how long it was staying here. For 4-5 candlestick it stayed here, it couldn't sustain then it came down. So I came down and tested this for 29,520 and even broke this zone. So it is a long consolidation that is happening in and around 29,520. So this is called a decision. So the market is trying to make a clear decision where it wants to move. So all of a sudden the market is not taking a clear decision. It stays there So every single candlestick represents 7 minutes, so you can notice that how long the price is staying. Now it is taking a resistance around 29,520. It is a clear danger sign for a buyer. So it has provided a resistance around 29,520 and it was quite successful in breaking that. So what can we expect after that? So this is the price action, and the market closed around 29,430, sir. So this is the zone where the market closed yesterday. So it came down till 29,395. It is a good price action. You can see this is the way you should analyze the price action. You should be flexible with the price action. So many times we have told trading in gold and is going to be is highly profitable, but we should learn a lot while trading in gold. We should understand how to trade the price actions, how to be strong on support resistance, and how more than that how we want to be flexible while trading in gold or in any commodity. So you can see the entire price action, what happened. It had given us an opportunity, and so many times we are saying that profit, always try to book profit for your targets. Don't expect the market to go for any target. So the market can target anything. What you want is that for your investment you have in your trading account, you need to set your target. So it is not a single thing. Starting from 29,520, the market went till more than 120 points profit. So unbooked profit is also your profit. You try to understand that. So this is the way of trading with the price action, trading with support and resistance, and understanding the market. So it is not just like that the market came down, we were targeting 29,520 for a long time, but if the price is not sustaining above this zone, then it is a failure. So stage by stage it produced a failure, and it is a perfect example for technical analysis how the price will react, and it is a good opportunity for us to learn the price actions and how to trade the price actions. So what we can do today? Today the expected price opening may be a bit higher than the previous day's price closing based upon the COMEX price directions. We are seeing that it may be above that, but we think that this is going to be the key zone again. Since it has provided a lot of support, now it is going to act as a resistance. This is how support and resistance work. So we are going to target the same zone again, unless until we get and see a price action above 29,520, we are not going for a buying. So it is very strict that unless until we see a price action above 29,520, it is highly impossible for the gold market to move higher. So target this 29,520. Now it is going to be a selling zone for us, and the expected price opening is going to be a bit higher, which is expected to be 29,460, which can be expected between and 29,460 and 29,480. Sure, it is going to be just above the previous day's price closing, but be sure that since we are posting all these video presentations before the currency and the commodity market price opening, so it is always subjected to changes. So but that will be minus changes. You can make that yourself. You can adjust seeing the COMEX price and the price opening in the currency where the rupee is staying after 9 o'clock. So if it is going to be above 29,520, wait for the market. It is a right time for you, and it is going to be a right opportunity to stay with the trend. Now the market is very clear. 29,520 can act as a possible resistance, and today we have the major news also, trade balance in US around 6 o'clock. So that can also provide us some good price volatility. Be flexible in your trading decision and understand the price actions. So let us see what's going to happen during your trading session. And also about the target zones, you may notice that we have marked all the target zones, 29,360, 320, and just like that, because we have this practice of marking all the major support and resistance now and then, because that will guide us in future. It is not every day we are marking. If you are a continuous follower in watching our presentations, you may notice that just we are not marking all these support and resistance line. It is a follow-up of what had happened in the history. So that is a good practice you can make, and you can also learn this. If you don't know how to do that, please contact us. We are ready to guide you and train you to make you a professional trader. So thanks a lot for watching our video. Be flexible. Let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. And happy trading. Take care. Bye.